In this example, you are asked to find the amount after 10 years if $5,000 is invested at an interest rate of 8% per year. And the money that you're putting in is compounded continuously. If you go through your reading and your book, you will find that there is a formula to do this problem. Continuous compounded interest formula is given to you as A of t is equal to P e to the power of RT. Now, what A of t is always going to be the amount in or after, probably should use the term after, amount after t years. Sometimes we call this as the final amount. And P is the principal, or we call this as the initial amount. And R is the interest rate per year. And one important thing that we have to remember is when I put this in my formula, I have to always make this as a decimal. Now what I mean by that is when it's given in the problem, you will be given a percentage. You have to change this to a decimal by dividing by 100, right? Or moving your decimal point 2 place to the left. And the next one is your t. This will be the number of years. And to remember again, just one thing to remember here again is make sure that this must be in year when you put that in the formula. Like what I mean by that is if I'm giving you 6 months, then you did convert 6 months to year conversion, half a year or 6 months. So when I put that in my formula, I will be using as 1/2 or 0.5, and I will not use 6 in there. Okay. So this is the information I need to know to do this problem. So now from here, what is given in here? So I'm seeing find the amount after. So what that means, they are asking me to find what A of t is. So this is what I'm looking for. A of t is what I'm looking for. The 10 years. So t is given to me as 10. So this is given as 10. So again, it's given in years, so I'm good to go. And if $5,000 is invested, so that's my principal amount, which is 5,000 at an interest rate of 8% per year. 8% is my R, which is 8%. I remember I told you we need to convert this into a decimal, so it's going to be 0.08. So these are the numbers I'm going to plug into the formula. So A of t is equal to 5,000 e to the power of 0.08 times 10. Now I can put this in my calculator in one stretch here. So if I do that 5,000, again I'm using the e closer to the ln, so e to the power of, sometimes you may have to use a parentheses in some calculators, 0.08 times 10, close the parentheses, hit enter, and this would be my answer. Approximately 11127.70. Again, this is, we're dealing with money. So if I round off to 2 decimal places, that should be fine. So this will be my answer to this problem. I should put a comma right here.